You want to be picked over them. I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Alemi from Yeyeo Botanica. Welcome back. So great to see you all. Thank you for sharing us and coming back. And if this is your first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Remember, we're www.yeyeo, and we're a spiritual and wellness supplier, which is why I do videos about all things spiritual. And I'm Alemi. I want to shout out all my people from Atlanta, Georgia. Woohoo! Welcome. So we've all wanted to be picked first. Everybody wants to be first, not second or third. So today I'm going to show you how to make a wash that you can do yourself on getting picked number one, whether it be in almost any situation. So let's get started. So the water element and the earth element is really, really important in doing grounding work in addition to things that you want to move quickly. Remember, I said that in this video, the water and the earth are things to make it move quickly. And I'm doing a class on that. Definitely comment if you would like to participate in a live class on that. So now we've got our coffee that I have steeped here, just coffee and hot water. You can make coffee in a coffee maker if you choose. It doesn't matter to me. So we're going to start with pouring in our coffee. In water, you can make a batch of this and put it in your refrigerator. If you want it to last longer, remember if you leave it for too long, it's going to go bad. So we're going to pour our coffee in. You can strain this as you like. Also, more than welcome to straining it. We're going to get it all out. And then here we've got our coffee inside. You can add more to make it stronger. Your choice, doesn't make a difference to me. So we've got our coffee, our water. Now we have this called Pompeia. This is a perfume that is kind of like Florida water in that it has become so popular over the last 130 or 40 years that it's great for luck, great for attraction, great for money drawing, great for all of these things that come together, and wonderful for those of you who are devotees of Oshun or you are into Orisha worship. This is something you could also put in an attraction wash with Oshun. So now we're going to put some inside, and this is for male or female. I want to say that very, very specifically. This wash is for male or female. We've got our Florida water. And we all know about Florida water. Please watch my Florida water video if you haven't seen that. I've even shown you how to use it with the ancestors. This particular one, we're not going to use very much. We're just going to put a little bit. And you put as much as you like. And then we have here river water. This is real river water. You can go to the river and pick some up, add it to your wash, or you can purchase it in places that have reputable resources, and this is river water. Shows you how real it is. So you're going to add some river water. And lastly, for those of you who really want to level up, and if you saw my coffee steady work video, to speed things up and get more work, more hours, more money, things like that, this was added. I'm going to add it today. Siete macho. So this is your sweet thing for this portion. And this video is really a part of a bigger class that you can watch on our yeyeo.com website, where all these ingredients are, you're able to purchase them. The Florida water, the Pompeia, river water, siete machos, our Lucky Fast Lux soap, which you want to use this soap with this wash ideally, but if you don't have it, use what you got, right? Always use what you have. Also, if you're really wanting to add more dynamicness to your work, you can put this in here, leave it for a day overnight, and then this is a coffee candle, or you can prepare a brown candle for coffee. You can leave it in there overnight if you have an altar in front of your altar as another option. So once you've made this, you can take this for a few days. Can you turn it into a spray, turn it into a floor wash, turn it into a splash, whatever you would like. To see the extended version of this video, definitely come to yeyeo.com, watch the extended version where you will see more ingredients to amplify this work, in addition to some more tidbits on how to do these kinds of works. And good luck. Speak positively over yourself, especially when you're doing the works that I give you all to do. Why? Because positivity is how you get results. Positivity is how you get abundance, money, opportunity, and being picked #1. So I hope that this was helpful. Try it, let me know, send me your comments, and see you next time. Ashe, ashe, ashe.